Exactly 3 years ago from today, April 11, 2023, after traveling from Dubai to the Philippines, as a kid who never knew what Filipino life was like, I confirmed my enrollment in this institution, ngani HIC INC. Being honest, I wasn't excited about it. I was more scared than anything else. The thing I was most sad over was the fact that I wouldn't be able to create more memories with my old friends in Dubai. So I reminisced on those memories with them. Most of my first days in HIC were spent reliving those memories. Kada recess, pag akin nagre-relapse, nga dala kakanto. Darak na istorya na iba, iniisip ko lang tatak mga sangkayan muna. And now, all of a sudden, as a graduating student, I felt and I'm currently feeling that depression all over again, especially over the past few months. The feeling that we have to say goodbye to the people that we've considered family. It's a heartbreaking feeling, I know, and I'm sure that many of my fellow graduates right now are feeling this. Although this feeling truly sucks, and we're all going to miss our classmates, I realized something recently, and I'd like to share it with all of you. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it's called the present. These are the words of a wise man that me and many others look up to, Master Oogway from Kung Fu Panda, the animated turtle. Although he's typically associated with as a joke, kay alam, pag umiiyak, I think that there's still wisdom that we can find here, especially for us graduating students. How? Well, just hear me out for a second. Being a graduating student is a bittersweet reality. On one hand, we're one step closer to becoming professionals and securing our own incomes. One step closer to a world na dili na kita mag-inaruhin balon kan mama. But on the other hand, it's a reality where we have to say goodbye to our second families. Say goodbye to the faces we shared laughter, tears, anger, but most of all, memories with. And in realizing this, we want to cling to the past, relive every day that we've had with our friends. Personally, may bala ko talaga ito mag-outro in grade 12, magbagsak. Ituyo ko na magbagsak ako para lang mag-outro ko in grade 12, pero pareho na dato kada yun. All of this is completely okay. It's normal for anyone to want to stay in the good times. It's normal to be scared of change. Change is so constant, in fact, na ngili akong photo, kalbo ba ako? Yan na, medyo may buhok na. So, it's just one example of how change is constant. And as we get older, the days are only going to get faster. And soon enough, our present will become our past before we can even realize that. Now, the realization that I want to share with all of you is how important it is to appreciate what's happening here and now as much as it is important to remember the past. Kita na mga tao, usalat at kinabuhi. We only live once. And once a day is done, then that's that. There's no magical restart for anyone. And although we could spend our days living in the glorious memories of the past or in constant fear of the future, why not live here in what matters, today? As the quote goes yet again, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it's called the present. There's no changing what's been done, and we can never be certain of our future. So we might as well live in the fullness of the day, making the most of the beauty in life that unfolds in front of you. As your fellow graduate, class 2026, I humbly ask you to fully live in the today that you find yourselves in. And even when you find yourselves reliving your high school days, Don't be sad that it's over. Be glad that it happened. As we venture into a new chapter in our lives, let's take a quick moment to look back and thank the people who helped us overcome the hardships of senior high school and elementary school. First, of course, to our Heavenly Father for providing us with the strength and spiritual support. To the administration for keeping the school running behind the scenes while we completed our studies. To our second parents, all of our teachers who not only taught us but also inspired us to become the people that we are today. Specifically, I'd like to mention a few notable teachers that have been with our batch since the start of senior high school. First, I'd like to acknowledge Sir Eduardo S. Elizaga Jr. Where is Sir Ed? Hi, Sir. Sir Ed for being, as attorney said earlier, the GOAT of the senior high school faculty. Next, we have local social media superstar, Sir Melvin Cabanillas. Next, our favorite comedian in the faculty, Sir Danilo Caindo. Next, a personal favorite of mine, Sir Biceps, or Sir Jerwin. Hi, Sir. Next up, we have our mathematics and personal development wizard, Ma'am Clending Joyce S. Montero. Our solid figure and motherly figure even in the faculty, Ma'am Jensen P. Barbosa. And lastly, although she isn't teaching this year, she still served as a great inspiration to a lot of us. Ma'am Donabel G. Nakotana, who is in the audience today. Teachers, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you for everything you have done for us. Waray kami na kundi tungod hayo. Next, to our friends, the people that we've spent the past years with, the people we've shared laughter and tears with, the people we call family, not by blood, but by bond. While I say my next piece, I'd like you to acknowledge the presence of your friends. Acknowledge, look at them, kamula pangalan. Just realize that your friends are here. I believe that we're all a mosaic of the people that we love. And as we leave this school, I hope that we'll all keep a piece of each other to cherish. Beyond the memories, we'll keep a piece of each other inside of each other. To the people that have kept us going all throughout our lives, our parents and guardians, thank you for being the constant that we needed in a world that's always moving. And while I'm here, I'd like to especially thank my parents, my mom and dad in the audience, for supporting me, guiding me, and nurturing me, and being my biggest inspirations in life. And lastly, to ourselves, for pushing and persevering through all the challenges that we faced. Ining adlaw, para ini haiyo, para i-commemorate ang nyatanan na iyo ginaagi nga nakaya. So go forth. Let's just enjoy this day that we've been waiting for, not reminiscing on the past, but enjoying this final event that we have. Best of luck to all of you, and I hope to see you all in maybe 6 or 7 years from now as professionals in your respective fields. The journey won't be easy for any of us, and we'll all find ourselves in situations with hard decisions to make. But always remember this: whatever you do at the crossroads, keep moving forward. That is all. Thank you.